Hello again, my name is Joshua Haynes, and I'm going to do a demo on my To-Do List app today. This is the default page of my application. There's two sections here. There's a search by tags, which allows you to enter in one or more tags so that you can filter out the to-do list items based on the tags that are included. And then I have a section down here, list of active to-do items. And as you can see, there's already two active to-do items listed here with description, due date, and tags listed. If you'll notice on the left-hand side here, there's three buttons. This green check mark is to mark it as completed. This yellow pencil is to edit, and this red minus is to delete. So I'm going to go ahead and go through each of these actions. When I hit the green check mark, it disappears from this list. If we go over to the completed list, it is now listed here. I'm going to go back to the active list. Now if we are to edit, we click that and we've got editable fields now. We've got our description text area, we've got a date picker and time picker, and we've got tags. Now we can edit each of these. And as you can see, it was highlighted in red because it was past its due date. Now it's within a warning window. The warning window time is 2 days, 0 hours. All right, and my edits have now applied themselves here to the list of active to-do items. And if I do want to mark it complete, I can. It's now in this list. Now this brings me to the completed list of completed to-do items here. I've already seeded the database. I had 2 active items and 2 completed items, as you can see by the descriptions here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add them back to the active page so that we can do a little bit of testing on the search by tags. But this is the completed to-do list, which does have the delete option. So I'll go ahead and delete these 2. And you see they're gone. They're not on the active page or the completed page. I'm going to go ahead and mark these as active so that we can do some testing with them. And what I'm going to do here is so that these both have some similar tags, I'm going to add a tag here called test 3. So we got some similar tags. And when we expand the search by tags here, you can add tags. Whenever you add, if there's at least one here, you've got a search button. And then this is an eraser button, so it'll clear the search out and it'll refresh your active to-do list here. But if we want to do a filter, since they both have test 3 in common, we can search based on that. Both of them show up. Now if we wanted to do just test 2, only this item shows up. If we just did test, only that first item shows up. And if I just did something random, none of them show up. So that's how that search by tags section works. And that covers just about all of the active page and the completed page. Now, I haven't covered adding a new to-do item, so I will go ahead and do that now. All right, we'll save that. And now we have a new item. You can also, by alphabetical order, and let me edit this real quick so that we have a good test. So you can sort by alphabetical order, starting with A or starting with C. All right, and with due date, you can sort by oldest and newest. All right, and then now we have a settings page here, and this is what determines the warning time. So we know that the highlighted in red here, this is when it is past its due date and time. You can slightly tell here this is yellow. This is within the warning window. So when we go to the settings page here, we'll notice that the warning period is 2 days, 0 hours. And we can see today is April 9th. This is within 2 days. This is expired. And this is outside of the warning time. Now, if I wanted to change this, we can do that. And now both of these are within the warning window because I set it to 4 days. And this is still past due. So this is basically my to-do app. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.